Okay, welcome guys to the third video in this series. For those that watched the previous video, I talked on variables and values, and we explained extensively, with little demonstration on how to declare a variable in JavaScript and assign it a value. Okay guys, and that was well stated. And we also learned the let keyword that lets you declare the variable, and there is also another keyword that is very important too, that you can use interchangeably with let. Is also called the const. Okay, and const stands for constant. Then this is the one we learned in the last video, which is let. Okay, so just to recap, we use let to declare a variable. You can also use the const to also declare a variable. Okay, so guys, now quickly, what is the difference between const and let? When you use let to declare a variable, let's say Michael, and I use const to declare a variable and I call it John. Okay guys, the difference between these two is once this variable is declared using let, you can reassign it another value. Currently the current value of the variable first name is Michael. Now if the first name has changed, definitely I'm going to reassign Michael or first name to Mickey Parry. Okay, now guys, notice I did not use the let here because we only use the let the very first time we are declaring it. Once you want to reassign it a different variable, so guys, you can see the difference between declaring and reassigning. Okay, now I've reassigned the variable first name Mickey Parry. It was formerly Michael. So if I'm to echo, though echo, we use echo in a PHP, but this is JavaScript. So if I want to show this in the console, I would need to do something. Okay guys, let me open the browser to show you what I'm talking about. I can use any window that is currently opened. So for you to access the browser console which you want to use to practice, guys, I would have used this, but I'm not prepared for this because perhaps I've not explained that to you. This is HTML, though if I'm to display JavaScript in execute this, I'll have to put it in the script tag. Okay, but since it's not the .js file, I won't be able to write anything. You can see even the color is displaying just white. So just for now, I want to just use the console. So to get to the console, you just right click on any window that you are currently on and you click on inspect. So when you click on inspect and you look down here, look at my mouse down at this end here, I'll go click on the console. Then all those stuffs I'm writing here, I can declare them here, guys. So I've not told you the difference between let and console, but like I said earlier, let will allow you to be able to change first name is equals to Michael. Guys, when I press enter now, first name is now having a value of Michael. How do I display the value of a variable? So if in JavaScript here we have to use the console, but since I'm not in this text file, there is no need writing the function called console.log, and I'll put the name of the variable. So guys, if I was in a text or IDE like we call it, that you use to write your code, once I put this and this function execute, it will display the value of this first name. But for the console, I'm already in the console, guys, so there is no point writing console.log. Okay, there's no point. Just type in the name of the variable if you want to echo the name of the variable first name. Guys, if you remember from the last video, what did I call this convention of writing the first word in small letter and the beginning of the second word in capital letter? This is called camel case. So this is JavaScript convention in variable name that you choose. Guys, don't forget you can also decide to write it as first underscore name. Okay, and some people write it as first name. So, but it's your choice, whichever one you want to use. But I stick with this camel case. It makes readability, it makes you to be able to read your code well. So first name, guys, enter. Now first name is showing Michael because that was what I declared earlier. So if I want to change first name from Michael to something else, guys, I don't need the let again. All I need to do is to say first name is equals to then John. Guys, is first name still Michael as it was before? No. First name is now what, guys? John. So let me echo it, let me display it. First name is now John. So guys, the second, let me clear the screen. The second keyword we use in JavaScript is the constant. So with this const, whenever you declare a variable and you assign it a value, that value will not be changed. That's why it's called constant. It remains the same, Michael. Oh guys, in my previous video I think I've done a lot of things here. So it is saying first name has already been declared. Do you get it, guys? Const first name is equals to Michael. So this debugger, so I think in the browser it's saying that I've used that in the console. Okay, let me just say const f name is equals to, I just want to show you the difference between let and const. So guys, I'm putting f name as Michael. Abi? Now how do I call first name? I just type first name, enter. First name is Michael. So guys, how do I reassign? I initially called first name Michael, now it's no longer Michael. So first name is now Ola. Guys, we're going to get an error there. What's that? Assignment to constant variable at anonymous 1 of 7. So you can see type error. So const, whatever you declare initially is what would remain. So whenever you want to get a variable that the value will not change, you use constant or the const keyword. But whenever you want a variable that will keep changing, then the let keyword is what you should use, guys. Is that clear? So I think I'm going to stop this video here. I just needed to point out the difference between let and const. So with these two information you have now, I think you're getting ready gradually, and like you're going to like you can see in front of you, this is a game you are going to learn how to build as we move maybe in the next video or in the one after the next. But get ready and practice what you have learned now. Create variable, assign it, call the variable by just typing the name of the variable. You get the value. Practice the difference between the let keyword and the const keyword. So guys, this is all you need to know about let and const, and declaring them. And I think with this you have enough information at your disposal, and would continue from here in the next video. Bye for now guys, but please don't forget to subscribe, click the like button. But if you enjoyed the video, please do like and subscribe, and I promise to keep giving you quality videos that you would enjoy and learn how to code and become a pro JavaScript developer. Thank you so much, and bye for now.